Hey guys, it's Eitan. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm in Canyon Country, Los Angeles, and I'm here in this beautiful kitchen of Byron Talbott. How are you?
Hey, what's up, dude?
So great seeing you. So we just filmed for Byron's Instagram story a video making homemade paneer cheese. We have it right over here.
It's beautiful.
It's like this amazing cheese.
I love it, yeah.
If you want to go check that out, Byron's Instagram is right over here and it will be linked below. So today, Byron is going to be teaching me how to make a flatbread with the paneer, which I've never done before, so I'm super excited.
I am stoked. So I think I have everything ready to go. It's a very, very simple recipe using the paneer, and it's just, it's very cool. It's a very easy recipe, and it kind of utilizes that crumbly texture from the paneer. I know you can sometimes slice it and make different, textures out of it, but I'm going to utilize that crumbly texture and just kind of roll right into the recipe.
All right, perfect. Cool. Let's get started.
So first up, I don't know if you've kind of worked with pizza dough before, but it's very simple, nice and soft. We're just going to roll this out into kind of like two rectangles. And can you actually turn this on?
Sure, I'll get that on.
Nice high flame.
I love cast iron.
I know, it's so good. Makes everything super hot for a long time, which I like.
Yeah, and it goes with the aesthetic of the
kitchen.
You guys can't see, but off camera, there's also, like, I love the design of your house. Everything's like super rustic. They have barn doors that I totally want to cut down and steal.
It's
somehow bring on the plane with me back to New Jersey.
No, don't take those. I need those too.
Yeah. They don't even let you bring like water.
Anything,
so I doubt they'll let that.
So basically, I'm just gonna roll this out to kind of like the large rectangle. Cut it down the middle. We can make two if you have enough, because I want to make it the size of this.
There we go.
Perfect.
Oh, you can already hear.
Yeah.
Starting to sizzle a little bit. Okay, so our flatbread are almost done cooking, and meanwhile Byron's going to show me how to make a quick pesto.
Okay, so this is super simple. I got all my herbs. This is actually basically everything from my garden for the most part.
Cool.
So this is kind of from home. And a lot of people make pesto with basil and a bunch of other stuff like that. But I like hearty herbs like rosemary, thyme, oregano, things like that, because it just kind of perfumes through.
Yeah, which you guys can smell it, like the smell is like filling up.
Yeah, it's really good. And then oregano is a good one. Turn that one off. Yep.
Look at that. Place it over
here.
Beautiful,
perfect. And then I got my garlic. Yeah, the produce out here is insane. It's just, it goes, like I said, all through the summer is amazing. Fall is amazing.
And then like oranges in the winter.
Yeah, it's awesome. So oregano, thyme, rosemary, olive oil.
And you could probably really use whatever you have.
Yeah, that's exactly what I do. Whatever you guys have on hand. Plus I can throw some spinach in here if it's not herby enough or it doesn't have enough filler. Sometimes I'll do that. A little bit of spinach right here. So this doesn't need to be like a puree or anything. You just kind of want to chop up those herbs roughly and get everything blended with the garlic. And for these flatbread, basically, I'm just going to put some of this straight on here. And then on top of this, I'm going to do a little bit of spinach. And then some sliced onions. A little bit of onions, super easy.
All right, perfect. So right over here we have the paneer cheese, as you can see, and it's beautiful. We made only 1 gallon. This is how much it makes with 1 gallon.
Which is pretty good.
This is a pretty good amount, and what I love about paneer is since it does make a lot, I use it for everything. So I've never done a flatbread, so I'm definitely going to be going home and doing this. Because I always have a lot of paneer left. Like I'll usually use half of it in like a curry, then kind of I eat that. I can eat Indian food every single day, no joke. So I'll eat that like for a whole week, but this is perfect. I never put it on like a pizza or a flatbread. All right,
so you can do the paneer cheese,
and
just basically, sometimes you can slice it, but we didn't really press this too much, but if you press it quite a bit, it becomes almost like this one solid chunk of cheese. And you can slice and kind of do a bunch of other things with it, but I kind of like the texture of this. It's kind of dry, but very, has that beautiful like curdled cheese flavor going on.
Yeah, and it's pretty simple, but I think it'll pair really well with the pesto.
These are gonna go on the tray. This is what I did. This is why I got the tray. And then they're gonna go straight into the broiler.
Oh, and these are gonna get, basically one thing about Paneer cheese is it doesn't melt, but it gets nice and like
toasty, right? Yeah, exactly. So we'll do that, kind of capitalize on the cheese, and these are gonna go straight in the broiler.
All right, perfect. Let's go pop in the broiler. All right, here we go. That looks incredible. Wow, so you got like that nice kind of the spinach wilted down a little bit.
Yep.
Then you have like that nice round char on the Paneer cheese. I've never used it this way, but I now am gonna be putting this on pizza.
It's a nice way to definitely utilize different cheeses and kind of go about it. And it's super refreshing, just a few ingredients and like a very flavorful sauce. So.
All right, yeah, this was so awesome. Thank you so much for teaching me how to make this. I cannot wait to go home, make this for my family, and use that extra Paneer I always have. This was awesome. If you guys want to follow Byron, everything, all his socials, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, all that will be linked down below. Definitely go check him out. Byron is an awesome food YouTuber. One of the biggest, I'd say, which is super, super cool. I'm so honored to be collabing with you. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you want the recipe, the link will be in the description box below. Also, if you haven't already, be sure to hit that like button because, I mean, look at that.
Hello.
How good does that look? And be sure to subscribe if you're from Byron's channel. Hey. And yeah, this was super fun. All right, thank you guys for watching.
Bye. Guys.